Hey guys, thanks for popping in. As you can see, the channel name has changed to One Don Solo, and I'm strongly considering changing it again to mixed content. Now, the reason that the changes happened is because I want to take the channel in a different direction, and I know like I have a few subscribers, and I haven't been on it for a very long time, and I get it. So for you guys that just kind of show back in to kind of see what's going on. Um, I will basically still do video games, not on the level that I was doing them at first. Maybe, like I feel like everything's saturated when it comes to video games, plenty of people playing, and I'm not the strongest commentator as well. So I want to kind of take the channel in a different direction. While game content will still show up, I'll be sure to kind of tag that stuff appropriately and put it in the proper playlist so that people who are still interested in seeing video games can come and take a look at it. But my primary goal for striking this up is I basically starting a vlog, and this vlog is going to be something to kind of hold me accountable to what I'm doing, what I want to do. So my goal is to move to Portugal within the next 7 to 8 months, hopefully faster. And I currently live in Arizona in the States. For those who may just catch this video later, but I want to move to Portugal, and in order to move to Portugal to get the visa, I have a few things that I have to work on getting. One is either passive income, which I do not currently have, which everyone is supposed to have apparently, but I do not have that, so I will be working on that. However, I don't know that I'll put that part on the channel. If someone wants to see that, then when I'm currently working on trying to build passive income feeds, I can 100% add that content to it. And like I said, put it in the category so people who want it can see it. But mixed content is going to be what's going to be coming on this channel. So the vlog will basically be me attempting to learn how to use Python as well as web development. These are the two languages that I have kind of narrowed down to a certain degree that will allow me to do what I need to do. So be able to develop web pages or Python scripts and things like that freelance while I'm on the road. The key is I have to learn it in as fast as possible, but my goal is about 3 months. That is to get the basics. I obviously know that Python and web dev are very in-depth topics, so I won't have a full grasp of it in 3 months, but I'll have a working understanding with projects, and that is the most important thing for me, is to learn how to think like a programmer. So I picked up a couple of courses from Udemy, and I applied for a scholarship for Udacity for their programming level as well to get their cert, which is okay. I'll see how it works, but that doesn't start until February. So in the meantime, the goal is to get videos up or live streams up 5 days out of the week of me live trying to code. So listening to whatever the information that the person is portraying to me through Udemy, and then going through and coding off of it or trying to do the projects. Now, I don't know if I'll get in trouble for you with YouTube if people if like you guys can actually hear what the person is telling me to do. If YouTube or if I'm gonna get a strike or anything, I doubt it, but it's YouTube. So we'll see what happens with that. Ideally, I would like you to read along or hear what I'm doing, and then we go through it, and then I just kind of do it and try to learn this stuff. And if veteran programmers or good programmers come through and happen to see the channel and want to give me some pointers, I'll be 100% down for that. Or if I'm good enough, throw me some work once I get a grasp at it. That's the primary purpose of this, is to document this. There's tons of channels out there that do that say this is how I would have done programming if I could learn it over, or why self programmers fail and all of that. Well, you're going to get to see whether I pass or fail on this. So I have like I said, a good 7 or 8 months, but 3 months I need to have a working knowledge of this. So if I'm doing something wrong, or if something isn't working properly, then you will see it. You'll see if I'll have the chops to grasp programming. If I do, then we'll just keep going. I'll get a job, and then I'll move to Portugal, and then you can just kind of watch me do you know, do my work as I do it. As well as I would like to bring in a little bit more travel stuff, as I do enjoy travel and travel quite a lot. And all of this that I'm doing is to get me to a position where I can travel a lot more, and more freely, because that's what it's about for me. I live to travel, and so now I'll basically be programming so that I can live to travel. So just a little background, because this is going to be an intro video. It's going to be a little long. I know a little coding, and I say coding, literally coding and scripting. I did work and build a VR platform as for a game, so that would be perfect for me. Built a game, so that was C. I will be learning Python, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, possibly Bootstrap, or something along those lines. So if you want to join me for this journey, it's perfectly fine. Um, like, subscribe, click the bell icon. The normal things that you do when you're on YouTube. Uh, do that for me. I will try to get you some high quality vlogs. I'm not gonna put a whole ton of effort into jazzing in them up, during the vlogs. But if I do start doing just random chats and things like that, then 100% I'll up my my resolution game and things like that, so that you do get high quality videos. But most important to me is a little floating head in the side of the corner, so you can see me and know that it's actually me doing the work, and then full screen, whatever work it is that I'm working on. So if you want to join me for the journey, like I said, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon so you get notified. At some point, I will start to stream. I may just start streaming right off, and then doing highlights or shorts as I run into stuff. Um, if I do get a lot of views, that's fine. But like I said, the biggest thing for me here is to have a vlog, and people come in to kind of hold me accountable, to make sure I'm doing what I should be doing. So thanks for listening to this long-winded channel announcement, is what I'll call it. And I will get this thing started in a couple of days. See ya.